So hello YouTube, in this video, I actually made a mistake in my old cake video. That blue, navy blue and sky blue one. So I just had to scrape it off and convert it to this. So yeah, basically it turned out well. We thank God. And without further much ado, let's head to the video on redecorating this beautiful cake. So if you're watching this video, this is the last cake I just did on my channel, and I just remembered, I just rechecked the color from the client, and this is a wrong design. Because I have a blue cake later today, or the next video is gonna be a blue cake, and I thought it's all blue I'm doing. I misjudged. I did not cross check. So this is a very painful discovery though, but I'm just gonna have to scrape out this cake and redo it with what the client says she wants. This is hard, but this is an old-time client and I cannot obviously deliver this. This is nothing close to the color. She said pink or purple. I wonder where I had blue from. I wonder where I had blue from. Why did I do a blue cake? Maybe because of I have a blue cake later on today. I was going to snap this thing, but I don't know how to snap it again. But I've snapped it too. Oh. This is just sad. So I'll just clean what I can clean from this cake, and purple and pink, and I'll add red to this blue to get purple. I'll add red to this blue to get purple. So let's just smoothen out this. Let's just smoothen out this, and hope it's not the client messaging me already, telling me they want their cake. It's a cake, it's not ready. So I'll be getting red. My red is difficult to this will not do it. I need a stronger stick. Very secure. How this does the magic then? Where's my cover, please? Where I get blue from? I feel so disappointed of myself. So let's drop this here first. And let's see, this will give us red. I mean purple, we need purple. Yeah, basically, I'm getting purple. To get half purple right now, I'm just gonna quickly ice this case because why not? This is dark purple. This is dark purple. This is dark purple. I'm sorry, girl. I'm not really gonna be giving you a pink. Next time, cross check. Cross check, cross check. Please, guys, let's cross check your colors. What you have in your head might not be what the client have in there. Is expecting. I think her last birthday cake was blue. That was why I made this mistake. If I remember vividly. Her last birthday cake was blue. That's why I'm making this mistake. And the delivery guy is here. Doris. Hello, Doris.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Arego, you don't give a please.
Yes, sir. I do transfer.
Where you doing? Okay, yeah, you don't mean that transfer, but where you doing?
Online.
Okay. How you take collect them?
I never collect them now. They say when you're ready, they go let me know.
They can't let you know.
They never ready now. But they don't approve them. They don't approve the 2 of 2. You want the 2 of 2? You want the 2 of 2 for the online?
You said, I don't hear you.
You want the number 2 of 2?
Number 12.
Like, is there like, you know, say you get like, they go tell you stage 1 of 2, stage 2 of 2.
Stage something or something. You don't even, like, since 2 months ago, I do that thing, but since then, they never notify me.
Not to wait now, not to wait. Maybe never
Are
again.
you sure? Okay, now no problem. I be one no because it won't end tomorrow. I be next tomorrow. So if that one know they work, I just go where they go physically.
You still go there, like, you waste your time on.
I be.
I don't try. I will one time. That way they come here for like go join queue, go join line. This one, that one.
Okay, FAP. Did they do it for FAP?
No, they get one time they do it for FAP. But as I join line, as the man comes, I need officials come. I tell them, say, see my problem. You say you not get to it if you do again. I say I can just go out and wait.
I'm serious. Yeah, sure. I'm not chill then because I don't go figure register for new one. As far as my this thing don't do their system.
Now for Niger you be there.
No, Enugu.
Start.
Enugu.
Who you want to vote for yourself?
I decrease. I demand do I know what to be. I don't understand. No. Who you think I will vote now?
I'd say you be too noble person now.
You decrease. You say na bad. Tinubu pay God for me. And I'm one baby. That person will go soon die. I don't understand why they stress that man.
May they chop corn.
God forbid, I beg. I just did I want to vote this year. At least man knows that I contribute to Nigeria's success. I swear. Anyhow, Shan, no, they wait.
No, wow.
Anyhow, I don't know.
So that was one of my students that just called to remind me of. By the way, why is delivery guy not here yet? Why is delivery guy not here yet? What's wrong? What's wrong? He's supposed to be here by now. I told him 9 o'clock.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Maybe I switched off. How convenient. And the worst thing is that it might just be outside waiting. It might just be outside waiting. Purple. So with designing this cake, I will be going with purple and silver per se. Purple and silver. So but then if I'm using silver, whatever, I'm not supposed to use color. I'm not supposed to use colors, I guess. I'm not supposed to use colors. I'm not supposed to use colors if I'm using silver. Let's just make this cake as perfect as we can get it. Go around. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. So I think I'm going to do something right now. Where's my silver? I'll be adding pink flowers. If she wants purple and pink, I'll be adding pink flowers. Let's see how long I have my timer. Jesus, that was not counting. 40 minutes. I have 40 minutes. So I'll just be making this uneven. Raptures at the front. Yes. What can I do with this? I think I just leave it like this. Marchala. Add some silver leaves. Let's add some silver leaves to it. Where is the front? How does it look? I think it looks nice. Let's add more to the top. So I have this down. So coming back with my silver topper. So I'll just be putting it where I have less of this. Then bombarding them with my butterflies. I will put one here. One here. One here. One here. So I think that's basically it. Okay, balls. I have silver balls too. Silver balls. Literally, I have silver balls. Painted silver. I need to clean this up so it will look pretty at least. Yes, cleaned up nicely. I'm just going to be putting them here. I'm not going to put flour in this cake because it's not just going to go. It's not just going to go. But I need one more big bowl. One more big silver bowl to complete the whole set. Yes. So now here we have it, guys. Yes, thanks for watching. Please stay to the end of this video. I really do appreciate. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.